Okay, so along the gable end or the roof line where you have no gutter to use these clips, you're actually going to have to turn them around. And if you zoom in on this closely so they can see? You're going to have to, instead of clipping them on the traditional way, like the gutter way, you'll flip them over and you'll go right underneath the shingle. Once you have one of the clips into the roof, a lot of people will put them right in here, in this front area of the clip. Now, what I do is I put them tucked underneath this back area, and what this does, you're installing with the end in mind. You can uninstall a house in 30 minutes that would normally take you 3 hours if you do it this way. It makes it very, very easy. On our houses, the tool that I showed you guys in a previous video, we haven't used the ladder to uninstall lights in 2 years now, and it turns our uninstalls from like 1 or 2 a day to 3 to 5 a day. So the way that you do that, you kind of just clip in behind here, and it hangs tight with the roof line. Once you get up to the peak, the drooping is going to disappear. You just want to pull it tight and put a couple clips at the peak. So, and I'll show you that one more time. So if you clip in like this, keep it tight. Along the roof line like this, you want to overuse clips. Instead of every 5 feet or every 3 feet, you want to go every 3 or 4 lights or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much how that looks. And you'll see already as we got farther up the roof, it's already starting to hold the weight of the lights a little bit better. So, all right, that's everything for this video.